So here I'm running on a Raspberry Pi 2. I have Meteor running on top of Node. I compiled Node on the Raspberry Pi. It took about 3 hours to compile it. And then I compiled Meteor, which runs on top of Node. And what you're seeing over here is I have connected to a Redis database. So on the Raspberry Pi, I got Redis, Mongo, and Node and Meteor all running together. And you're seeing in these two browser windows, this is Firefox here, this is Chrome on this side. I have a bunch of keys coming in, and I'm just, the Redis component in Meteor is subscribed to the things.star key structure in Redis. And then what I'm doing in another window, which you don't see, is I'm sending in about every 5 seconds 50 keys with random values that I get out of a dictionary. That's why the list is getting larger and smaller. I've also got the expiration on those keys set to a random number that's between 0 and 10. That's why they come and go. And then in another window, I'm actually setting the things.-butch and kitty to a random number. And I'm sending over 2 sets every 50 milliseconds. And in the top window, you're seeing this is top off of the Raspberry Pi, and our load average sits around 1. And this Raspberry Pi 2 is a quad core, so it's still very responsive, even though it's doing all this stuff. This down here is I'm just running Redis from the command line, and I'm subscribed to the key space changes. So you can see the messages going back and forth. There's a bunch of sets and expirations on these keys as they come in. And so this thing is rockingly easy to get going. Well, actually, it takes a long time to get going. There's a lot of steps. But once you get it, the actual JavaScript code to do these two browser windows is really quite trivial. So I'll be recording some other screencasts on how to get all that going. It's pretty involved, but what it's going to let me do is have an in-memory database for a bunch of key value pairs using Redis and connect it up to Meteor.